In this video, you'll learn how to add advanced custom fields, also known as ACF, to a custom post type in WordPress. This process will allow you to enhance your custom post types with additional data fields, making your content more dynamic and tailored to your needs. To begin, ensure that the Advanced Custom Fields plugin is installed on your WordPress site. Navigate to the plugins section in the left sidebar of the WordPress dashboard. Once there, use the search bar at the top right and type Advanced Custom Fields. After the search results load, locate the plugin and click on the Install Now button. Wait for the installation to complete and then click Activate to enable the plugin. Once the ACF plugin is activated, the next step is to create a new field group. In the left sidebar, find and click on Custom Fields. This will take you to the ACF dashboard now. Click on the Add New button at the top of the page. You will be redirected to a new screen where you can enter a title for your field group. Below this, you can start adding fields by clicking on the Add Field button. You can choose various field types, such as text, image, or relationship, depending on the data you wish to collect. After setting up your fields, you need to assign your field group to the custom post type. Look for the location section within the field group settings. Here, you will set the rules for when this field group should be displayed. Choose Show this field group if, then select Post Type and set it to is equal to, followed by your custom post types. Make sure to replace this placeholder with the actual name of your post type. Once this is configured, click Publish to save your field group. With the field group created and assigned, the next step is to add data to your custom post type. Navigate to the Posts section of your custom post type by clicking on it in the left sidebar. Select any post you want to edit. You should now see the ACF fields you created earlier. Fill in the data as needed and then click the Update button to save your changes. Ensure that you verify that all required fields are filled in before updating. Finally, to display the ACF data in your theme template, you will need to edit the appropriate template file for your custom post type, such as single bio post type parse, post type, post. To retrieve and display the data from your ACF fields, use the following PHP code. Your underscore field, your underscore field underscore name, with the actual name of the field you created. Save the changes to the file and refresh your website to see the new fields in action. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.